We've all seen health trends pop up and then disappear just as quickly. But what if I told you about one that's been around for centuries, with a story as rich as its list of health claims? Today, we're diving into Moringa tea. The real question is this just another fad, or is there something genuinely miraculous in this brew?
So, the whole story kicks off with a nickname you just can't ignore: the miracle tree. I mean, that's a pretty bold claim, right? When a plant gets a title like that, you can't help but wonder, what's going on here?
Well, the source of this so-called miracle is the Moringa Oleifera tree. And this is no New Age discovery. This tree has deep roots in the Himalayan regions, where it's been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for literally centuries. This isn't just some plant, it's a legacy. So first up, let's get to know this incredible plant. We're going to follow its journey from a simple leaf on a branch all the way into your teacup. The whole process is really about one thing: preservation. They carefully harvest the young leaves and then dry them at very low temperatures. Now, why so gentle? Because that careful technique is exactly what locks in all the good stuff, all those powerful nutrients, whether the leaves stay whole for key bags or get ground into that vibrant green powder. Okay, so what is all this good stuff we've been talking about? Let's peel back the layers and get into the why behind the hype. We're going to break down the nutritional profile that gives this tree its incredible reputation. All right, this might be one of the most surprising things about moringa. Get this, it's a complete protein. For a plant, that is a huge deal. It's a real game changer, especially if you're vegetarian or vegan and looking for high-quality ways to fuel your body. 9? What's so special about that number? Well, it represents the 9 essential amino acids. The fundamental building blocks our bodies can't actually make on their own. We have to get them from our food to build and repair basically everything. And somehow, moringa delivers the complete set. And believe me, the protein is just the beginning. Think of these leaves as nature's multivitamin. They are absolutely packed with a whole spectrum of essentials, from immune-boosting vitamin C and fatigue-fighting iron to calcium for your bones. It's an incredible range of support from a single source. And then you've got the antioxidants. 2 of the heavy hitters in here are quercetin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory, and chlorogenic acid, which research suggests can help keep your blood sugar levels a bit more stable after you eat. You can think of these guys as your body's personal security team. So we've got this amazing nutritional profile on paper. But what happens when these nutrients actually get to work inside your body? Well, that's where we get to the real, tangible benefits. This is where it gets really interesting, how these nutrients work together. For your metabolic health, moringa seems to offer a 1-2 punch. First, compounds in the leaves might help your body use insulin more effectively, which is absolutely crucial for blood sugar control. And at the same time, other parts of the plant can help tackle cholesterol absorption. Pretty cool, right? One source really summed it all up perfectly with this quote. The idea here is that moringa isn't just something you drink to stay hydrated. It's viewed as an active step you can take for your health, almost like a daily dose of natural medicine. And when you look at the full list of potential benefits, that miracle tree nickname really starts to make sense. I mean, look at this. It's an extensive list, covering everything from your immune system and digestion to some really surprising things, like enhancing brain function and even promoting a healthy mood. It's this incredibly wide-ranging impact that makes it stand out. All right, theory is great, but how do we actually put this into practice? Let's talk about how to make moringa a simple and even enjoyable part of your daily routine. Brewing it is super simple, but here's the #1 tip you need to remember. Use hot water, not boiling. Why? Well, boiling water can actually destroy some of those delicate vitamins we were just talking about. So just let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll unlock that smooth flavor and all those amazing benefits. But hey, don't feel like you have to stop at just a cup of tea. Think bigger. Using brewed moringa tea as the liquid base for your smoothie is a fantastic and sneaky way to get that nutrient boost. And for savory dishes, yup, you can add the powder or even some brewed tea directly into your soups and stews. It adds this subtle, earthy flavor and just enriches your whole meal with all those extra vitamins and minerals. And get this, even baking. Seriously, you can substitute some of the liquid in recipes for things like muffins or breads with moringa tea. It's a simple way to give your baked goods a healthy little upgrade.
And if you want to customize your brew, try these add-ins. A squeeze of lemon does more than just add flavor. It actually helps your body absorb the antioxidants better. A little honey adds natural sweetness, and spices like ginger or turmeric can team up with the moringa to create a really potent anti-inflammatory cocktail.
So there you have it. The journey of moringa is pretty incredible when you think about it. From an ancient, revered tree in the Himalayas all the way to a simple powder or tea bag that can so easily become part of your modern-day wellness routine. And it leaves you with a really fascinating thought. In our constant search for health and vitality today, maybe some of the most powerful answers aren't in a high-tech lab, but have been waiting for us in nature all along. Makes you wonder, doesn't it?